Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Lava Keypad model because menus vary. Check the label or About Phone. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and temporarily disable any SIM or lock screen pattern so you can navigate freely. Backup contacts and messages before changing dialer shortcuts. Now open Menu, go to Settings, then Security or Call Settings. This is where the emergency call shortcut lives, and you will edit it in the next step. You need to locate the emergency call shortcut option. In many Lava Keypad phones, it's under Settings, then Call Settings or Security, sometimes labeled Emergency Call Settings. Once you find it, look for single key dial or shortcut key assignments and tap the entry tied to the emergency function. Make the change. Either disable the shortcut or assign a non-functional contact as the destination. This prevents accidental dialing. Save changes and exit. You will verify in the final. Now verify your work by long pressing the key that previously triggered emergency calls. It should no longer dial out. If it still does, power cycle the phone and recheck the same setting path. Some models require a restart to apply changes. If the shortcut persists, consider removing recent system updates or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If problems persist, contact Lava support. They can provide model-specific guidance and avoid disabling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.